Let's do another video because I seem to be on a roll lately. This is another headlight build. Ta-da! Headlights. This one is for a 2001 Nissan Pathfinder. Real simple housings. All this is a D2S Mini assembly, which uses a D2S bulb. I did do a halo on this setup. This is an 80mm. I did a cob halo. This is my first time using a cob setup. They're real nice, real even display. And I will show that to you right now. Disclaimer, as always, don't wire things up like this. This is ghetto. It's just for display purposes only. Anything under the hood should be done heat shrunk and soldered. Now, they're really bright, so I gotta zoom up on them so that you can actually see the halos. Otherwise, it just whites out the camera and you can't see anything. But they're real nice. Those cob LEDs are dope. Real bright. See, if I back up, man, it just kind of blinds you out. And that is going to be wired presumably as the running light. This is our wall. Give it a minute to warm up. Ta-da! See that beautiful cutoff pattern? Rather signature to the D2S bulb housing. Real good spot right in the middle. Now you notice they're about, I don't know, maybe 6 inches to a foot apart from each other. This is not a vehicle. That's just sitting on a table. So once they're installed in the vehicle, they still have to be adjusted and they have to be aimed, of course. Otherwise, you still run the risk of blinding traffic, oncoming traffic. So as of right now, though, that's spot on, man. They're at least level, so that's really what I'm shooting for. And as you can see, they're bright. Ta-da! Look at that. Aren't those pretty? I like these. I like these a lot. I'd like to make another pair, actually. So if anybody's got a Nissan Pathfinder, let me know. Oh yeah, by the way, the equipment that we're using is the GTR Lighting 35-watt CANBUS Hylux Gen 4. This is the 6,000 Kelvin bulb temperature, so it's the cool white. Those HID ballasts run right around $265, and this retrofit mod that I have done to these housings, start to finish, was right around $515. So a grand total of this setup right here, right around $780. So if somebody wants that, email me, superiormobile13@gmail.com. I like doing this stuff. It's fun. Let me show you the high beams. Boom. God, I love that. That's so cool. It's going to be stupid bright on the highway, or wherever he decides to use them. Behind a tailgater. I don't know. Whatever. So that's it. This one's gonna be short because there's really not much to say. Ta-da! Headlights. I built them. I like building headlights. Headlights are cool, and I'll ship these out very shortly. Hopefully to a very happy customer. So have yourself a wonderful night, guys. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Signing off. See ya.